Afternoon, folks. Grandpa Greenwald here. Today I made a pot of Philippine pork adobo. You remember yesterday we barbecued those pork chunks. If you haven't seen the video, it's called smoked pork shoulder chunks. I'll put a link. I'll put a link to it up top here. Anyway, I decided to go ahead and use. We have a lot of chunks. I decided to put it to use. Um, So we made the adobo. The adobo has some oyster sauce, soy sauce. This is ginger pieces, organic ginger, some black peppercorn, apple cider vinegar, and then we use just a touch of cornstarch at the end. So I'm going to fix me a plate. Couldn't wait to get some pork cooking. I put a couple packages in the freezer for some other recipes. And all right, let's see what this baby looks like. Hopefully you can see that one. Whoa. Whoa. Heated up. I did put a little garlic in the pan also, but no other veggies. Um, Yummy, yummy, yummy. Can't wait. Boy, oh boy, that was really yummy. That mesquite smoke and the Memphis style sauce, boy, that brought a lot to the adobo. If you like the video, folks, go ahead and click the like button, click the subscribe button, come back and see us again. I enjoyed cooking.